A day at the park. Come on, Charlie, let's go to the park.
Hi, your dog is very cute.
Hi, thank you. Your dog is cute too.
Thanks. What is his name?
His name is Charlie. What about your dog?
His name is Max.
How old is Max?
He is 3 years old. And Charlie?
He is 2 years old.
He is still very young.
Yes, he is. He has a lot of energy.
Max is the same.
Do you come to this park often?
Yes, I do. I usually come here 3 or 4 times a week.
Really? This is my first time here.
So this is your first time here?
Yes, I moved here about a month ago.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you.
Do you live near the park?
Yes, I live about 10 minutes from here.
That is nice. I live close to the park too.
It is a beautiful park.
It really is.
Charlie loves running around.
Max loves this park too. He gets excited every time we come here.
Charlie has a lot of energy today.
So does Max.
Charlie, look, I have your ball.
Does he like playing with a ball?
Oh, yes, he loves it. Charlie, go get the ball.
He is very fast.
Yes, he is. Charlie! Charlie!
Is everything okay?
Oh, no. Charlie, come back.
What happened?
He's running away.
Really?
Yes, he's not stopping.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes, please. Charlie, Charlie, come back.
I hope he comes back.
I'm so sorry, but I have to go. I need to find my dog.
Of course, go. I hope you find him.
Thank you.
Our dog is missing. Hi, honey. You are home. Why are you crying?
Charlie is gone.
What? What do you mean?
I took him to the park today.
Okay.
I met a man there. We were talking about our dogs.
And then?
I threw the ball for Charlie.
Okay.
He ran after it, but he didn't come back.
He ran away?
Yes.
Oh, no.
I called his name many times.
Did you look for him?
Of course. I looked for him everywhere. I looked for him for 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes, I was in the park, on the streets near the park, and near the shops.
And you didn't find him?
No, I thought maybe he came home.
I'm sorry, honey.
But he isn't here.
Come here.
I feel terrible.
This isn't your fault.
It is my fault. I should have watched him more carefully.
Please don't blame yourself.
I'm so worried about him.
I know.
What if he is scared?
We will find him.
What if he's hungry?
Honey, we will find him.
What if he can't find his way home?
Listen to me. We aren't giving up.
Do you really think we can find him?
Yes, I do.
He's never run away before.
I know.
I miss him already.
Me too.
What are we going to do?
First, we're going to make posters.
Posters?
Yes, we will put them around the neighborhood.
That is a good idea.
We will put Charlie's picture on them.
Okay.
We will also write our phone number. And I think we should offer a reward.
A reward?
Yes, maybe it will help.
How much?
$500. I don't care about the money. I just want Charlie back.
Me too.
We are going to find him.
I hope so.
Let's start making the posters right now.
Okay. Thank you for helping me.
Of course. Charlie is part of our family.
Looking for Charlie. I am tired.
Me too.
We have been looking for Charlie all morning.
I know. We've already put up a lot of posters.
Where did you put up the posters?
I put some near the supermarket and some near the pet shop.
Did you talk to anyone there?
Yes, I did. I showed Charlie's picture to a few people.
Did anyone recognize him?
No, nobody did. What about you? Where did you put up your posters?
I put some near the park and some on the streets around the park.
Did you talk to people there?
Yes, I did. I showed them Charlie's picture.
That was a good idea.
Then I went to the ice cream shop near the park. I talked to a woman who works there.
What did she say?
She thinks she saw Charlie today.
That sounds promising.
I hope so.
Did she tell you where she saw him?
Yes, she saw him on a street near the park.
Did she know where he went?
No, she didn't. She said he was running very fast.
Oh, Charlie.
I wish I knew where he is.
I know. I miss him too.
I feel so sad.
Don't give up. We're doing everything we can.
I know.
Look, we only have a few posters left.
Then let's put them up on this street.
Good idea.
I hope someone calls us soon.
Me too.
We have to find him.
We will keep looking until we find him.
Yes, let's put up these last posters and keep looking. We found Charlie. Hello?
Hi, is this Sarah Miller?
Yes, it is.
I am calling about your dog.
My dog?
Yes, I saw your poster today.
Oh, did you find Charlie?
I think so.
Really? Can you describe him, please?
Of course. He's a small dog.
Yes!
He's brown and white,
Yes!
and he has a blue collar.
That is Charlie. Oh my God.
Then I have your dog.
Is he okay?
Yes, I think so.
Thank goodness.
He looks a little scared and he's a bit dirty,
Poor Charlie.
but he seems fine.
Where did you find him?
He was sitting near my garage.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
Can you give me your address, please?
Of course.
Okay, I have a pen.
I live at 245 Green Street.
245 Green Street.
That is right.
We are coming right now.
Please come as soon as you can. He looks frightened.
We will. Thank you again.
No problem. See you soon.
David!
What happened?
Someone found Charlie!
What? Are you serious?
Yes! A man called me a minute ago.
Oh my God, is it really Charlie?
Yes! The description matches.
What did he say?
He said it is small, brown, and white, and has a blue collar.
That is definitely Charlie.
I know!
Is he okay?
The man said Charlie looks a little scared and a bit dirty, but he seems fine.
Thank goodness.
I can't believe it.
Where is he?
He's at the man's house.
Did he give you the address?
Yes, it is 245 Green Street.
That is only 10 minutes from here.
Really?
Yes, let's go right now.
I am so happy.
Me too.
I was so worried about him.
I know, we both were.
I can't wait to see him.
Me neither.
Do you think he missed us?
Of course he did.
I hope he is not too scared.
We will take good care of him.
Yes, we will.
Come on, let's get our boy.
Yes, let's go get Charlie.
At the vet clinic. Sarah Miller,
Yes, that's me.
please come in.
Thank you.
What a cute dog. What is his name?
His name is Charlie.
Hi, Charlie. What can I do for you today?
I would like to make sure that he is okay.
Is something wrong?
I don't know. Charlie ran away 2 days ago.
Oh no.
We looked for him everywhere.
That must have been stressful.
It was. We were very worried.
When did you find him?
Yesterday evening,
Where was he?
a man found him near his house and called us.
I see.
Charlie was scared and a little dirty.
Did you notice any injuries?
No, I didn't.
Is he eating normally?
Yes, he is.
Is he drinking water?
Yes, he is.
Is he walking normally?
Yes. He seems okay, but I'm still worried.
That's understandable.
I just want to make sure that nothing is wrong.
Of course. I'm going to check him.
Thank you.
His eyes look good.
Okay,
His ears look good too.
that's great.
Let me check his legs.
Okay,
Everything looks fine.
Really?
Yes, Charlie is healthy.
Oh, thank goodness.
I think he is only a little scared after his adventure.
So he's going to be okay?
Yes, absolutely.
That makes me so happy.
Just let him rest today and give him lots of love.
I will.
He is a very lucky dog.
And we are very lucky too. We're so happy that he's home.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you very much, Doctor.
You're welcome. Take care, Charlie.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.